Very good.
Mikkel, you're signing some autographs in Germany?
Yes.
Yeah.
Autograph in German language?
The autograph in German or in English, yeah. Nice. Autogramm.
Autogramm in German.
God lille pressetræning vi har haft i dag.
Please?
You had a good press training today, Mikkel, or just short training?
Yes, Mr. Simon. Good training.
Hey, nice. Are you enjoying your stay here in Berlin still?
Very good.
Even though you have your Nordic trainer, Mr. Macron and Jimmy
One
around
question
you?
more.
Yeah. Very good.
What
I'm
must,
ready to kick some ass.
what must
Hej Thomas Macron.
Hej, Simon
Hvordan skrider træningen frem i Tyskland?
Det skrider rigtig godt frem.
Hvad synes du om hans form? God form?
Ja, han er i god form. Ja, han er i god form, og vi har fantastiske faciliteter hernede, og jamen, det spiller. Og det skulle rart at være et sted, hvor det bare kører på skinner.
Hvad siger du her, når der er der er godt pres op på i dag her, Mikkel? Var ude for at træne lidt, men har fået en lille forkølelse og har sprunget over i dag.
Hvad jeg siger til det?
Ja.
Jamen altså, det er jo vilkårene. Det er den eneste måde, man regulerer et fornuftigt træningsprogram på. Det er, når du vurderer på idrætsudøveren, hvordan hans tilstand er. Og så forholder man sig til det. Enhver idiot kan jo træne en mand ihjel.
Tak for det, Herr Macron. Super coach. Amateur coach.
Træner.
Bye bye. Hello Jimmy, how are you?
Oh, I'm pretty good. How about yourself? You look like you beat up all night. What's going on?
I have been. Jimmy, how's everything working out with Mikkel?
Everything's going fine. Nichols getting ready. He's ready to go. We expect a nice victory that day.
Knockout? What's your prediction?
I don't like to predict, but on this one I will. No, it's going to be a good fight. It shouldn't last more than 8 rounds.
Thank you, Mr. Montoya.
You're welcome.
Super
I hope
coach.
you come back for some more.
A super coach from the US, huh?
That's it.